till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around, can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride.
So, dear friends, I have now here on the table the next pair of, I can say, legendary Tesla old speakers, Tesla ARN-226, but in this case with two magnets, double magnet. And why? Because the second magnet increases the sensitivity. These are 8 ohms. I had here 2 pairs of such speakers in 4 ohms about 1 year ago. But these are 8 ohms, and we can see if we watch the hole here in the magnet, we see that this speaker was originally the Tesla ARN-226. This is dimension 05. This is the type of cone 05. 05 is with spirale, 03 is without spirale on the cone, 8. But if there are double magnet, dual magnet, second magnet, this type is 226-07, and the last number means impedance 074 or 078. So these are 8 ohms, 078. And as I told before, the second magnet increases the sensitivity. The type without the second magnet has 86 decibel sensitivity, and this, if we add second magnet, it has 88 decibel sensitivity. So 2 decibels more. Maybe you say it's nothing, 2 decibels, but it makes sense from my point of view. So I put on them my internal numbers, because if I have here speakers, boxes, amplifiers which are here more often, I must put on them my internal number. You can see it here, 179452. And as it is usual, these speakers are for sale, so you can find them later on my website Angelicaaudio CZ on the page Bass Speakers. I talked about the sensitivity and also the frequency range from 30 up to 3000 hertz. TVM means this is the new name, or new old but new name of Tesla Valašské Meziříčí. Tesla Valašské Meziříčí, TVM. But this factory is closed, and these speakers were produced early 90s, maybe some pieces late 80s, but early 90s, and were mounted in the huge speaker boxes. TVM, if I say it correctly, 350, TVM ARS 350, and then I don't remember the next numbers, so maybe 354, because these are 8 ohms, but maybe it's a mistake. If I don't forget, I put here active link to my video with these huge TVM speaker boxes where were mounted the 4 ohms versions, because the speakers were 8 ohms, and there are always 2 speakers, so in serial connection into 8 ohms. So if I don't forget, I put here active link. And I must also comment the cones, because they are not like new ones. You could see it at the beginning of the video, but technically are the speakers in very good condition and can be used. And also I must mention as I say, small production mistake. Here are the both magnets in the center, but here is the top magnet or the back magnet a little on the side. It's not exactly in the center. Doesn't matter, but I have to mention it. So let's try them. And I would like to try the track number 9 from YouTube library Only Music. I love the sound of the old Tesla speakers. Left channel. Watch the tone. Right channel. And here you can see the previous type. So dear friends, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel, and if you like my videos you can also join my channel. So have a nice day.